Hey guys, welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. And today we are making white soup. Not just any white soup, the correct kind of white soup. And yes, we're using yam as our thickener. Natural, no shortcuts. We love to see it. First thing, I'm dicing my yam into smaller pieces so it cooks faster. Work smart, not hard. Clock it. So I'll be cooking the yam together with my meat because why waste flavor? Everything must soak in that goodness, okay? I'm adding onions, salt, fresh pepper, seasoning cubes, and enough water to cook everything properly. Don't be stingy with the water. The yam needs to get soft, okay? Yeah. So in another pot, I'm boiling my stockfish until it's all soft and tender because nobody wants to be fighting with stockfish while eating. Be guided. Now our yam is nice and soft, exactly how we like it. I'm transferring it into the blender and I'll be adding a little water and blend it to become smooth. Yes. So this right here is what will give our soup that thick, creamy, did she order it from restaurant kind of texture. Clock it. Over here, my stockfish is ready. I'm adding my fresh. So I'm adding my dry fish, and at this point, I'm also adding my cooked meat and that flavorful meat stock. At this point, the aroma alone, elite behavior. We'll let that boil for about 10 to 15 minutes so all the flavors can introduce themselves properly. Now I'll be adding my blended yam thickener. Watch the transformation, guys. Just watch. This is where the magic happens. So you're going to stir that gently, and do you see that thickness forming? Oh yes, I've added my blended crayfish and a little more seasoning to taste that I will add. And one thing I love about this white soup is that it doesn't require palm oil. Zero palm oil. It's light, it's clean, it's nutritious. Healthy babes, this one is for you. Can you guys see that texture? You see that texture? I'm stirring gently. I'm stirring gently. And see how the thickness is forming. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. We can see the soup is bubbling. Finally, I'm adding my Uziza leaves for that spicy aromatic kick. Just that pop of green, to make everything balance perfectly. And just like that, our white soup is ready. Look at that texture, guys. Look at that richness. If this doesn't make you hungry, well, I don't know what will. This soup is simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. So no excuses, guys. You're definitely trying this recipe this week. Period. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you're an OG, you already know that I appreciate you heavy. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and tell me in the comments what you are preparing this with. Pounded yam, fufu, semo, let's talk. Bye for now and see you in the next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gifts. Mwah. Bye, guys.